Hey everyone, here are the quiz codes for Helwig 9th edition. These codes are good until the end of July 31st, 2024 for the NCE exam prep. These quiz code questions are good until the end of the month. You can skip questions, you can go back to them, you can use them on the computer or on your phone. They're very accessible. If you have any questions about how to use the quiz codes, please look at the previous videos to give you information about how to use the codes and the quiz app that you need to do it. So, happy studying!